Even though I'm scared to do a lot of things, I still do them, that I'm courageous. My name is Chantal, I'm 21 years old, and I'm currently a student trying to figure out what I'm doing with my life. My personal journey with acne has been a long one. I've had it since I started puberty, like 11, 12. It's just been something I've always had. It's never went away. It's just something that I've learned to live with. That you don't take care of your face or you don't take care of your body if you have body acne. I think that is because a lot of people don't have acne, or like the people who don't have acne are usually the ones saying that. Well, honestly, it didn't affect my self-esteem that much. It was more of just being annoyed that it's there, but not like, I don't like this. It's just, why I want to go away? Or what can I do to fix this? When you see most media presenting people with clear skin, it makes you think that it's normal or that everyone is supposed to have clear skin, and then you feel you're not the beauty standard. When I do see people on social media who embrace acne, it's really nice to see because you can relate to someone out there. I would say to not worry about it so much. Don't think you can't go outside just because you have acne, and to not overdo it with your skincare. To me, an acne champ means someone who really embraces their acne or knows how to make acne work for them in their lives.